Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today once again I have brought you new recipe. Today I am going to make a delicious prawns curry, but this one is little bit spicy. You can adjust it according to your taste. Let's see what we need for this. We need 500 gram of prawns, 1 medium size onion, 5 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, 5 green chilies, curry leaves, pandan leaves, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 3 tablespoon tamarind, 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. First put pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Then add the chopped ginger and garlic. Fry these until they turn golden brown. And then add the onions and green chilies. Now fry these onions until they turn golden brown. Now onions have turned golden. Add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. 3 tablespoons of tamarind. Now 1 cup of water. Mix it really well. Then add the curry leaf and pandan leaf. Now add the prawns and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Wow, see, it's look like very delicious. Our prawn curry is ready now. This goes perfectly with rice, naan, paratha, chapati, roti, bread. You can garnish this with a curry leaf. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you again. Bye.